If you drive a Jeep JK, you already know the factory bumpers just don't cut it when you're off-road or trying to add serious accessories like a winch or some killer lights. Today, we're breaking down the best front bumpers for the JK to help you beef up your rig's front end with style, safety, and serious utility. Whether you're climbing rocks or cruising the streets, these bumpers deliver. And hey, don't forget, all the product links are down in the description if you want to check them out for yourself. Starting off strong with the Vijay front bumper. This bad boy is made to fit 2007 to 2018 Wranglers and comes crafted from high-strength 9/64" steel with even beefier 3/16" mounting brackets and winch plate. It handles winches up to 12,000 pounds and rocks a one-piece build that hugs your JK's body lines like a glove. Users love the rugged look and the no-drill install. Plus, its textured black powder coating with internal electronic coating makes rust worry a thing of the past. The Nilight bumper is all about solid steel strength and practical features. It's built from heavy-duty 5/32" steel and features 2" by 0.120" tubing, giving your Jeep full frontal defense. With a built-in winch plate, shackle mounts, and two 4.75-ton D-rings, it's trail-ready from the jump. Bonus points for the fog light housing that lets you use your OEM lights. No extra mods needed. It's clean, functional, and comes ready for battle with a durable textured black finish. Let's talk Hooke Road. This bumper fits like a glove on 2007 to 2018 Wranglers and brings that off-road energy in spades. Built with 11-gauge, 1/8" steel and 1.89" tubing. This mid-width bumper is tough but not bulky. The winch plate supports up to 12,000 pounds, and the robotically welded shackle mounts are built for action. Add in 4 powerful LED spotlights and you've got night driving covered. Easy install, solid warranty, and killer looks. It checks all the boxes. The OEDRO Rock Crawler bumper brings the heat with high-power lighting and laser-cut precision. It fits like factory on all 2007 to 2018 JK models, no cutting or drilling needed. The bumper itself is built from rugged 5/32" steel and 2" tubing. Plus, it's loaded with 4 flood beam LED lights, 2 at 36 watts and 2 at 40 watts, lighting your way even on pitch-black trails. With D-rings and hardware included, it's trail-ready straight from the box and designed to hold up in gnarly weather. Last but definitely not least, we've got the Tyger Auto Fury bumper. Made of 5mm carbon steel, this thing's like armor for your JK. The textured black powder coat keeps rust away while keeping it looking mean. It fits your stock fog lights and includes a winch plate, welded D-ring mounts, and a license plate bracket. All bolt-on, no cutting needed. Tyger backs it with a 5-year warranty too, which is always a good look. It's clean, simple, and tough as nails. So there you have it. 5 of the toughest, slickest bumpers you can slap on your Jeep Wrangler JK. Whether you want full lighting support, max winch strength, or just a rugged upgrade for your off-road beast, there's something in this list for you. All the links are down in the video description, so go ahead and dive in. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more off-road gear reviews. Catch you on the trail.